We are ready to start assembling the bookshelf. So here's the pieces. They're about the same length. It's about 60 inches wide and 60 inches tall with about 5 shelves. So we have some white ash, we have some cherry, and I think maybe these are the two uprights right here. And then I think these are the shelves, maybe 6 of them. So we're going to they're about 10-inch difference, 10 inch between the shelves. And because it's a bookshelf and because of the span, I like having it extra strong. So what we'll do is in between each shelf, there will be some uprights, 2, then 1, then 2, then 1. And we have some red oak here, some odd pieces. We have another red oak with actually a live knot that's going to stay in it. And we have this white ash, which is really nice, really curly. It was an end cut off, and we were able to get this much wood out of it. Really beautiful piece. Look at that curly white ash, and all the white ash are dying, which is real sad. So this will be a cool piece for it. So what we'll do is we're going to have to figure out which way we're fastening the shelves, whether we drill or screw in like this sideways into the side, or whether we go straight through the side into the shelf. So that's what we're going to decide now, and then Lucas and I will start putting it together and probably start at the bottom, the base of it, and work up. But we'll do another video once we have it together, or mostly together, and let you know how we did it.